Okay, we ordered 3 carbon monoxide detectors. Okay, and I'll show it to you. Well, you get a little manual that comes with it, but you better have a magnifying glass to read it, which I did, and I read it. All right, let's see. Doing this with one hand. Okay, we've got 3 carbon monoxide detectors. Okay, and I'll put a link where I got them before, where I got them from. Now, in order for them to fit correctly, if you have anything else plugged into the your duplex receptacle, I found I bought 3 of these, one to go with each detector. And what this allows you to do, got these at Lowe's Home Improvement. Okay, what it allows you to do, you plug this in your duplex receptacle. Okay, and then you plug this in here, which I'm going to show you how I did it, and it allows you room to use the top receptacle. Plug this into your bottom duplex receptacle. Because what will happen is a lot of times we have a night light and we have some fragrance deals, and they don't work. You can only just plug this in, and it takes up the whole duplex receptacle. So this way, by using this, you can you'll have an extra receptacle here, and also at the top you'll have an extra receptacle for whatever you want to plug in there. And see, this will take the place of 2 of these, just almost 2 of these, because of the width. And then the height is the reason. The height above here is the reason you can't plug. It's hard to plug something into the top one. You can plug an extension cord or something like that. But I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how this is going to work. But you need to put these in your house. Carbon monoxide is lighter than air, so it'll travel up. So you want to put them in a place, not next to a door or window that's open where breeze is blowing, because it'll blow away the carbon monoxide. If the carbon monoxide don't get to the detector, then the detector is not going to let you know there's carbon monoxide. So it's best to have one next to a sleeping area. We sleep upstairs. We have a 2-story house. Next to a living area, downstairs, we have a fireplace downstairs, a gas fireplace. We have a downstairs gas heater. Now, upstairs heater is electric, so we don't worry about that. But carbon monoxide would go upstairs because, like I said, it's lighter than air, and it'll eventually work its way up the stairs. So we have to have these. Now, we already have upstairs where we have some carbon monoxide detectors that are wired in, or should I say, they're hung on the wall upstairs. Okay. We got these as a precaution. Our heater's getting old, our downstairs central heater, and the firebox, or I call it the firebox, it's the heat exchanger. They have a tendency to crack, and when they do, it might allow fumes to get into your house. Carbon monoxide cannot be smelled. You'll smell the fumes from the gas, but you won't smell the carbon monoxide. And it's a silent killer, so better be safe than sorry. So it means we have an older heater, and I have 2 other videos on how I repaired the heater. And this is just a safety precaution. Now they haven't kicked them off or anything. Now with the heater running, downstairs we have one up towards it, close to the ceiling, a couple of feet from the ceiling, and it's right where the vent can blow on it for the heater. Okay, so if there's any fumes, or any carbon monoxide, I should say, it would set off that detector. And then we have one upstairs. We're going to put one upstairs to where it'll get any fumes that, like I said before, that'll come upstairs. So we're going to go ahead and hook them up. I'm going to show you how we did it, how they fit on the wall with the other things we have. And I think I got these at Lowe's for, I'm thinking they're $4 a piece or something like that. And we bought 3 of them. I got military discounts, so I don't pay taxes. At Lowe's anyway. But I do pay taxes on everything else. So I'm going to put a link to where we got these carbon monoxide detectors. And plug them in, show you what they do when you plug them in, and how to work them. Now if they have an alarm, you can press this alarm to go up. I'm going to do that also. So we're going to go in the house and hook everything up, and we're going to show you how we did it. Okay, we're going to plug it in and show you what you can expect. This just happens just when you first plug it in.
Welcome to Use Voice Carbon Monoxide Detector.
Okay, top number is the temperature, 71 Fahrenheit. The middle number is ppm. That's parts per million of carbon monoxide. And it's going to drop down to 0. It's going to count down to 0. The bottom number is humidity. Okay, so relative humidity is 45%. Okay, it's going to count down to 0. And it just does this if you unplug it and plug it back in. Now, you can have up to 50 parts per million of carbon monoxide and still be safe. And when you get around 100 and 101, it's dangerous. Okay, so you can have a little bit of carbon monoxide, and it can come from a stove, a gas heater, automobile running in your garage, or something like that. So that's what you get, and it goes to 0, as you see, and that's pretty much it as far as what it does when you first plug it in. Now this is in the utility room above the counter, the utility room. Everything fits good here. This is up close to the ceiling. Everything fits good. Alright, this is the downstairs detector, and the vent is right across. That's right there. So it would blow, then the carbon monoxide, it would blow it into the vent. And towards the heater. Now we have vents. Okay. So we also have a gas heat fireplace. Now it's 85% efficient. It draws this air from outside and it exhausts back outside. And the glass door has a seal around it. But if it should leak, it's good to have the carbon monoxide detector to let us know if we have any leaks on it. Okay, this one is in the upstairs bathroom, fairly close to the ceiling. And it also fits good. It's got a night light with it. top. Let me turn the light up so you can tell. It's got a night light, and it fits good too. Without the little adapter, it wouldn't have fit. All right. Okay, we're getting a reading. In the danger area.
Carbon monoxide gas leaking. Please open the window and the door. Attention please. Carbon monoxide gas leaking. Please open the window and the door. Side gas leaking. Please open the window and the door. Attention please. Carbon monoxide gas leaking.
Okay, this is a big shop. And it's a real high ceiling. So as you see, I just put it in front of the... Okay, as you can see, they tested good. I did open a window and a door. So I would highly recommend them. I'll have a link below. I would definitely recommend these. Try to put them up high because carbon monoxide is lighter than air. All right. That's how we do it here. Test carbon monoxide detectors.